Live my life right every single day over here on the West Coast, cause it's do or die. What you fools know about this life that I live in? I'm coming up, I represent, I live it like every day. Nowadays, it just ain't the same no more. I gotta wash up back in these streets all the time for these motherfucking haters when they come and try to creep on me, cause they see me and they know me exactly where I'm coming from. Palmera they say I live my life into the fullest. I thought you knew, I just can never stop, homie. They knew this youngster brown rider coming up, he represented for the streets of Florida until the day that he dies. People just don't understand, and this is life, the life that I live, because it's do or die in my crime ways. I just can never stop this life that I'm living now. I just can never stop. A bunch of fakes in this world, don't you understand it? Don't you understand it? I guess you don't, because this is life. Every day, life like me, I'm coming up, I represent it, I'm keeping it true, like I know how to do. Kick it in my driveway with my homies and my brown brothers, drinking on the 40 bottle, smoking out with a coca, not giving a fuck. I chose to live the life every single day. What you fools know about it, cause it's that brown thug life. Coming up, he representing for that big West Coast, South Side, uno tres, throw it up worldwide. Live my life into the fullest, don't you understand it? Don't you understand it? Don't you understand it? I guess you don't understand it. This is the life that I live like every single day. I got to wash on back if they could try to come and creep. And then these police never do nothing, they acting the same. Fucking cricket ass cops always threaten me all the time when they see me walking down the street, and they shaking me down, harassing me and shit. Fuck the gang units, I'ma live my life into the fullest. Criminal ways, it's just do or die, homie, in these crime ways. I gotta make it to survive, gotta wash my back in case these haters try to creep, cause I just don't know. Only God knows if it's gonna be my last day. So live my life while I can. Don't you understand it? Don't you understand it? Don't you understand it? I guess you don't understand it, cause this is life every single day. I live my life right, I never live it wrong, and now I'm trying to change. Please believe me, but it's hard to make it to survive in these cold ass streets. That's why I gotta do what I gotta do and let them know the truth about this life of this brown thug. He coming up from the streets, Palmera 13. Don't you understand it? Don't you understand it? Don't you understand it? I guess not, this is life, Crime Ways.